Annabelle at saka since involved po yung pangalan?
You know, I've come to a point now, how old am I? 61? That more important than fighting it out, proving who's right, what really happened. More important is what Rufa feels, what my daughter Isabel, who's very sensitive, will feel. I think there was a slight misunderstanding, but I think medyo maayos na, at least in my mind, in Rufa's mind. And I really don't know what happened next because I just arrived from Japan. So, sa akin, bali, wala naman yan eh. Hindi naman ako nagtagal this long in movies, in television, kung papatulang ko lahat. I think she just misunderstood. Pero okay lang, I still love her.
Ayun yun. So you were there at that time?
Yes, I was. Yes.
You really gave the vote?
Yes, I did.
So kayo, anong wish nyo mangyari sa dalawa kung may Tita Annabelle at Miss Amalia after ito nangyari?
Well, I want, one thing, I want very much Amalia to lose weight. Maybe nothing to do with it. Maybe Tita Annabelle, wala, to continue as she is because kung magbago siya, hindi na siya yun, diba? And for me, also to lose weight.
Yung pagpaparinig niya sa inyo sa Twitter, how did you feel about it?
You know, I don't Twitter, I don't do anything. In fact, the first time I heard about it is when Rufa called me and I said, ano yun? Saan? Yeah, I said I was there. So how did it happen? What did it, di ba? I asked you exactly what happened. Talaga, I was more surprised, I think, than she was. And that was the end of the story. Because then I left na for Japan. And now it's the second portion. Diba? But more than anything, I really think at a certain age, one should behave more demure properly, especially because my daughter Isabel is very, very concerned about little, you know, things like that. She gets very upset with me and all that, and that's important. Not important what I have to say. More important is what she has to say, my daughter.
Gusto na kay Tita Annabelle?
Hindi pa nga eh.
Gusto niyo siya kausapin?
Hindi naman. Kung gusto niya akong kausapin, okay lang. But Annabelle is Rufa. Rufa is Annabelle. So okay lang. Raymond is also my friend.
How do you feel about this?
Well, first of all, excuse me, because it's kind of an emotional day for me. Nothing to do with you, Tita Glo, but you know, I think it was just a total misunderstanding. I already explained it to my mom, and my mom's very impulsive, you know her naman. And you know, the most important thing is nag-usap na kami ni Tita Gloria, nag-usap na kami ni Georgina, ni Isabel, and Raymond also, and everything is okay now. And I think it was just, kumbaga, she was just the bearer of the phone call, the bad news. Na wala naman siyang alam sa talagang sinabi sa daddy ko. So,
At alam mo, I'm really quite surprised kasi it was noise, about 10 times noisier than here. Hindi ko nga maintindihan si Amalia. Hindi ko rin maintindihan. It was so noisy, I'm surprised that there was anything exchanged between the both of them. You know Arya, di ba?
Yes.
Ang ingay-ingay doon.
So them naman, I mean, they really didn't know anything that was going on. They were having a good time. They were even chatting though with you about Isabel's projects
Exactly.
and everything. And then suddenly, you know, my dad answers the phone and he got so surprised and namutla siya and he couldn't eat anymore because Tita Amalia was screaming at him on the phone. So, of course, so parang nasira na yung dinner nila. And poor Tita Gloria was just the one na nag-abot ng phone. Hindi naman niya alam kung ano nangyari, kung ano sinabi. So, when I called Tita Gloria, she was even having a massage and she was so like relaxed. So, you know, these misunderstandings do happen and I'm just happy that all's well that ends well.
Okay, mommy was willing to talk to Tita Gloria.
I think there's really nothing to
We always
talk naman, and there's nothing really a big issue to talk about because, you know, kung lahat nga kami ng mga ako, si Belle, si Raymond, lahat kami magkakasundo, lahat kami magkakaibigan, and Tita Gloria I've known for so long, and same with my mom and dad. Misunderstandings always happen, you know, even with family members, so what more with friends?